Welcome to iRender, GPU Accelerated Cloud Render Farm. It's the simplest, easiest GPU cloud rendering service for everyone. We bring the power of thousands of friendly, easy-to-use GPUs directly to your desk. The best multi-GPU accelerated rendering solution on the cloud. Turn your computer into a supercomputer and happy rendering. In this quick start guide, we'll walk you through the whole process, from creating an account to downloading your final render. Step 1. Register. Go to iRendering.net and create your free account in under a minute. Download and install the iRender desktop app on your computer. New members get a 100% bonus on their first deposit. Double your rendering power right from the start. Step 2. Desktop app. Sign in with the account you just created. This dashboard is your control center. Manage your machines, balance, and file transfers all in one place. Step 3. Payment. Top up your balance to start renting a GPU server. And don't forget, your first deposit gets a 100% bonus. Step 4. Transfer data. Select Input, Z, then upload your files. Step 5. Create machine. Choose the GPU configuration that fits your project, from a single GPU up to a full 4 GPU machine. Choose the operating system and pre-installed software for your machine. In this video, we'll pick Blender. Click Create, and your dedicated GPU machine will be ready in just a few minutes. Step 6. Boot and connect. Boot up your machine, then connect to it with just one click, right from the dashboard. You can also choose a rental plan for longer-term projects to save on costs. You'll get a full remote desktop, exactly like working on your own computer. Set up your privacy preferences on first boot, and you're ready to go. Open your project, Blender, 3ds Max, Maya, whatever you use, and start rendering with full GPU power. Step 8. Transfer result and shutdown. Once rendering is complete, copy your result files to output, Y:, to retrieve them on your computer. Once rendering is done, it's time to grab your results and shut the machine down. Click Shutdown to power off the machine and stop billing. You only pay for the time you actually use. Transfer to local machine. Download your rendered files straight back to your own computer through the file manager. Extra services? That's it. Register, connect, render, and download. iRender makes GPU cloud rendering this simple. And with flexible GPU rental pricing, including the RTX 4090, there's a plan for every project, big or small. Check out our quick start guide and tutorials anytime. right inside the dashboard. Turn your computer into a supercomputer. Your renders, your rules.